subscribe to M.Laskar and click on this bell icon for latest technologies video update. Hello friends, how to buy Redmi 5A flash sale on Flipkart. Friends, simple, you one trick apply and easily buy this Redmi 5A. Okay, let's start. Friends, now open your PC and laptop and open your Google Chrome browser and click on this app section and click on this option is web store. Simple tab, click on this web store and as you can see the search option, okay, and simple type this extension name. This extension name is price tracker. Simple write this price tracker and search and simple tab on this second option, click on this price taker. Second option, click on this, okay, automatically show this price taker. Friends, I am already price taker installed. Okay, now remove it. Okay, and now click on this price taker add to Chrome. Simple click on this add to Chrome and add extraction. Okay, now this download is automatically download this price taker. As you can see, this downloads this price taker, and after you download complete and automatically added this Chrome extraction automatically added. Now this added price taker, as you can see, this automatically added and automatically new tab open. Close this new tab. Okay, simple close this new tab and price taker look tab on this price taker and click on this auto checkout and click on again and choose your Redmi 5A 16GB and 13GB and color. Okay, I might choose this gray color and 16GB. Simply tap on this and automatically Flipkart page show. Friends, first sign up this Flipkart. Okay, fully sign up and address and delivery address sign up Flipkart. Okay, after you sign up complete and login this Flipkart, simple tap on this login. Okay, and now this automatically price tracker is notification on you are registered for next sale Tuesday February 8 2018 12 p.m. sale next sale, and after next sale start before you 30 minutes before this price tracker and on this PC and laptop automatically your price tracker automatically refresh and automatically added your card this phone. Then your phone is added automatically card and quickly check out and buy your Redmi 5A. I hope this trick you apply it and enjoy it 100%. You buy this Redmi 5A and your any problem please comment. I tried this, your problem solved. Thanks for watching.